Your roof is one of the most important features of your home. It not only protects you and your family from the elements but also plays a key role in maintaining your home's structural integrity. When it comes to roof replacement or repair, choosing the right materials and a trustworthy, professional company to handle the installation is crucial for long-term protection. My Quality Construction of Warren has been a trusted name in the roofing industry, offering high-quality roofing materials and expert services to homeowners in Warren, Michigan, and the surrounding areas. In this article, we'll explain how My Quality Construction of Warren helps protect your home by providing top-tier roofing materials and skilled installation, ensuring durability, safety, and peace of mind for years to come. Top-quality roofing materials for long-lasting protection. One of the biggest reasons why roof replacement or roof repair should be handled by professionals is the importance of choosing the right materials. Different roofing materials offer varying levels of durability, insulation, and resistance to weather conditions. My Quality Construction uses only the highest quality materials to ensure your roof stands the test of time and provides optimal protection for your home. Asphalt shingles. One of the most popular and cost-effective roofing materials, asphalt shingles are durable, weather-resistant, and easy to maintain. My Quality Construction offers a variety of asphalt shingles to fit the unique needs of your home, whether you're looking for enhanced durability, aesthetics, or energy efficiency. Metal roofing. If you're looking for a roofing material that is incredibly durable and resistant to extreme weather conditions, metal roofing is an excellent choice. Known for its longevity and energy efficiency, metal roofs can withstand high winds, heavy snowfall, and even hailstorms, making it an ideal option for homeowners in Warren, Michigan. Metal roofs are also highly reflective, which can help reduce cooling costs by reflecting heat away from the home. Tile and slate roofing. For homeowners seeking a more luxurious, traditional, or historic aesthetic, tile and slate roofing offer both beauty and strength. These materials are extremely durable and can last up to 100 years when properly maintained, making them an investment in your home's long-term protection and appearance. Wood shingles and shakes. If you love the rustic or natural look, wood shingles or shakes provide a beautiful, organic appearance while offering good insulation and weather resistance. My Quality Construction ensures these materials are installed with care and properly maintained to prevent rot and deterioration over time. By using high-quality roofing materials like asphalt shingles, metal roofing, or slate, My Quality Construction guarantees that your home is well protected against the harsh elements and stays looking great for years to come. Expert installation for maximum durability. Even the best roofing materials can fail if not installed correctly. This is why professional installation is essential. My Quality Construction of Warren specializes in both residential and commercial roof installations and has a team of highly skilled roofing experts with years of experience. Their attention to detail and craftsmanship ensures that your new roof will be installed to the highest standards, maximizing its performance and durability. Precision in installation. Every roof is different, and proper installation is crucial for optimal performance. My Quality Construction carefully measures, inspects, and prepares the roof deck to ensure that your new roof will fit perfectly, be properly sealed, and perform its best for years. Attention to detail. From installing underlayment to ensuring that shingles are aligned correctly, their roofing experts follow all manufacturer specifications to guarantee a long-lasting roof. By adhering to industry standards, My Quality Construction ensures your roof will protect you from the elements without the need for frequent repairs. Safety and code compliance. Roof installation is a complex and potentially dangerous task. My Quality Construction ensures that all safety protocols are followed during installation. They also ensure compliance with local building codes, protecting both your home and your investment in the roof. Weather resistance for Michigan's harsh conditions. Living in Warren, Michigan, means facing extreme weather conditions, from heavy snowfalls in the winter to rainstorms and high winds during the spring and fall. A roof that is not designed to withstand these elements can lead to costly repairs or even catastrophic damage. By selecting My Quality Construction, you can rest assured that your roof will be built to endure Michigan's weather. Wind-resistant roofs. High winds can easily tear off shingles or damage roofing materials. My Quality Construction offers materials that are specifically designed to withstand high winds, such as impact-resistant shingles and metal roofing, which are ideal for ensuring that your roof remains intact and functional even during severe weather conditions. Snow and ice protection. In Michigan, heavy snow and ice can accumulate on your roof, causing leaks or ice dams that may lead to water damage inside your home. My Quality Construction offers roofing solutions that include ice and water shields, which are installed under shingles to prevent water from penetrating the roof and causing damage. These shields are especially important for homes in areas that experience harsh winters. Moisture resistance. High-quality roofing materials, like metal and tile, are resistant to moisture damage, which is crucial for preventing issues like mold growth, wood rot, and leaks. My Quality Construction uses materials that stand up to rain and snow, ensuring your home stays dry and secure. Increased home value and curb appeal. A new roof doesn't just protect your home, it enhances its curb appeal and increases its market value. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or simply want to improve its appearance, a well-installed roof from My Quality Construction will make a big difference. The variety of materials offered allows homeowners to select a roof that complements the architectural style of their home, boosting both beauty and functionality. Long-term savings and low maintenance. By choosing high-quality roofing materials from My Quality Construction, you are investing in a roof that will require less maintenance and last longer. A quality roof can save you money on repairs and energy bills, giving you peace of mind that your home will remain protected for years. Conclusion. Your roof is a critical component of your home's defense against the elements. By choosing My Quality Construction of Warren, you are ensuring that your home is protected with high-quality roofing materials, expert installation, and long-term durability. Whether you need a new roof, a repair, or simply want to ensure your roof can withstand Michigan's tough weather, My Quality Construction offers the expertise and quality materials needed to keep your home safe, secure, and beautiful.